Centrum Hotel is the first hotel in UP where they have installed their EV charger with us at our hotel, so they can charge their vehicle, and this builds a confidence in a customer to buy more EV vehicles. And ultimately, this is going to benefit our environment, our earth. And thank you so much, MG, for taking such an initiative.
This is Uttar Pradesh first charger under the MG Charge program. That MG is the first OEM that has taken such an initiative to install community-based chargers.
ये लखनऊ को पोल्यूशन से मुक्ति के लिए आज पहला इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्जर जो सार्वजनिक स्थानों के लिए आज उपयोग किया जा रहा है। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में दुनिया बदल रही है, तो उत्तर प्रदेश भी बदले, उसमें आपकी जो है महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका हो।